Xiaomi Redmi Note8 Pro global version smartphone. It supports all Google applications, include Google Play Store. And it supports all language menus, global language menus. I make a video only for my company B2B business. My company supports small order and small business also. We accept sample order from 1 pieces. We can make it global sending. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience since 2010. We can deliver the smartphones to your forwarder address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, or other city in China. I will put B2B the contact link below the video. I will put a small order sample order link below the video. If you like the phone, you can place the order directly. If you want to make B2B the business of Redmi Note8 Pro global version smartphones, you can contact with us. Here are all the language menus it supports. Okay, let's continue to review the smartphone. It is a 6.53-inch IPS LCD display, 19.5 to 9 radio, 395 ppi density, resolution is 2340 pixels by 1080 pixels. It's from and back glasses are 5th generation Corning Gorilla glasses. And it supports dual nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card. Micro SD card up to 256 GB by micro SD card. Android 9.0 Pie operating system. CPU is MTK Heilo G90T 12 nanometer CPU. Octa-core 2.05 GHz. Its memory storage have 64 GB ROM, 6 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM, 6 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM, 8 GB RAM, 256 GB ROM, 8 GB RAM, UFS 2.1 memory. It have 5 cameras. Main cameras are quad camera. 64 megapixel f1.9 aperture, 8 megapixel f2.2 aperture, 2 megapixel f2.4 aperture, and 2 megapixel f2.4 aperture with big LED flashlight. Here's fingerprint sensor, Type-C the USB port, and headphone jack. It's from camera. Here is from camera. From camera is 20 megapixel f2.0 aperture. And the battery built-in is 4500 mAh battery built-in. Supports 9 volt 2 ampere 18 watt fast battery charging. And it supports fingerprint Type 2.0 USB Type-C, FM radio, infrared light, infrared port, NFC, GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, Bluetooth 5.0. The phone have black color, red color, blue color, white color, and deep sea blue color, green color, midnight blue color, and electronic blue color. This one is green color. Okay, now let me show you the camera details. We can see the camera is super clearly. Okay, let's continue to check what included in the color box. Here is the color box. One piece is a jet pen. One piece is warranty card. Here are all the language menus it supports. Here's the menu, all the languages support. One piece silicon case. One piece Type-C to USB cable. One piece charger. 5 volt and 9 volt 2 ampere fast charger. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like us in Facebook and Instagram pages. That's all. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. We can make it global sending. If you want to make B2B the business of the smartphone, you can contact with us. We can deliver the smartphones to your forwarded address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, or other city in China.